some other videos. You know what I really hate? But y'all not ready for that conversation. I don't know, it just felt like so satisfying. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Payton and I'm back today with another video. Today's video is going to be a really quick and simple wig installation and review for this wig that I received from Westkiss Hair. I'm actually going to include a little mini brow tutorial because a lot of y'all have been asking how I do my brows, so I just decided to do 2-in-1 and do a little brow tutorial for you guys to show you guys how to get your eyebrows to match this 99J color. I've worn like many different type of 99J burgundies and I always use eyeshadow for my eyebrows. It's super easy. I'm gonna try to make it like beginner friendly. Stay tuned for that at the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my installation and then I'm gonna come back and tell you guys how I like this hair thus far.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't get my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't get my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Step and spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. Do you know what I like? What would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away.
Okay you guys, so let's go ahead and get started with the red brow tutorial. So I just got my eyebrows done. So I like to use my Morphe 39A palette. This palette is so old, I've had it for years. I just like to use these two colors. I don't know the names of the colors, but I use this dark burgundy color right here, and then I use this like pinkish purplish-ish color right there. I kind of like to take the dark burgundy to outline my eyebrow, and then I like to take like a mixture of the lighter burgundy and the dark burgundy to fill in the eyebrow. So I also like to use my MAC Pro Conceal. This is what I used in general for my eyebrows. I'm going to be using this double angled eyebrow brush from Sephora. I'm only using this for the spoolie at the end, so you don't really need this brush. Then I'm using this Sephora Pro Liner 22 eyeliner brush. It's just the same little angle brush, but this is thinner because it helps make like those fine lines in the front of the eyebrow. And then I like to use my Morphe M165 brush. Basically they're all the same brush. People is always telling me like, oh, one eyebrow is higher than the other, but people don't know my eyebrows are naturally like that. But you know what? Is it though? Or did she fuck my eyebrows up? But you know what? It's okay. Your eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not twins. Brush your eyebrows out. That's step one. We're gonna go in with this dark burgundy first to line the brow. Line the bottom. And I just put a thin line. And I kind of just keep going back in with the eyeshadow. So anytime you guys see me take my brush down, I'm putting more eyeshadow. And I just do a really light tap. You don't really need a lot. I feel like the colors on this palette are very pigmented. So we're gonna line the top now, taking that brush and putting product on it. Now once you get to the edge of your eyebrow, like the top right here, you wanna go no further than the edge of your eye. So right here, to get to the brow bone, curve down. Once I'm about to start filling this in, I'm mixing the dark burgundy with the lighter burgundy, or up here at the top, and I'm just gonna curve my brush, as you guys can see, and I'm just gonna fill it in. And I'm gonna take that darker burgundy and I'm just gonna fill it in a little bit more at the top. And once you get to the front, I like to take the brush and turn it vertically and then just start drawing little fake hairs. I'm taking my MAC concealer in C45, and we're taking that Morphe M165 brush. So I literally just take this concealer and I just line right under my eyebrow. I will never ever do my eyebrows without concealing them. And then I'm just gonna take the same amount of product, which is literally just a little bit. Not too much, you guys, literally not too much. And I like to just line it. I kind of did this eyebrow unevenly. And then once you get, do that same little curvature. And then I'm just gonna perfect my curve some so that it matches the other side of my eyebrow. I like to use my Real Techniques 210 brush. I got it from Target. And I'm gonna take the spoolie, brush up at the beginning, thin it out some. And I kind of just like to, I feel like at this point, like you could just go back in and just play with it. But yeah, I kind of just like to go back in and play with it until I think it's perfect. But I feel like this looks good. I'm gonna add a little bit more of those fine lines in the front. Last but not least, I'm gonna take my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, and then I'm just gonna do a little bit more blending. But let me take this off. This is the final look after I kind of play with my eyebrows a little bit. So yeah, let's just ignore the fact that one of my eyebrows is higher than the other. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial though, and let's go ahead and just hop right in with the rest of the review. Okay, so that was it for my wig installation. So let me go ahead and tell y'all how I'm liking this hair thus far. So this is West Kiss hair, 180% density, 99J deep wave 13x4 lace frontal wig, and I got 24 inches. They sent this hair to me like a month ago, and it came in this bag. I love a silk bag. Hair came in this little bag. They sent some wig cap, they sent a toothbrush, and they sent some eyelashes. And they also sent this really cute reversible bonnet, and this side is burgundy, the other side is black. I'm loving this gift so much because it's really cute and comfortable, and it's really big. It's snug, so really love this little bonnet. So that was it for the little mini unboxings. Honestly, truly, I've loved this hair. I've been wearing it for like basically a month now, and I've gotten so many compliments on it. This is like the second burgundy wig that I've tried, and I feel like this one is definitely better than the last. This hair is from West Kiss. The last hair company that I reviewed burgundy hair for was Wiggins hair, but I liked it at first, but this hair is different because I'm not gonna lie, I don't get much shedding and tangling, like, and I've been going to the gym in this hair. I've definitely washed it like 4 or 5 times already, and it really does not get like super tangled or matted or nothing like that. That's the best part, honestly, truly. And the color, it did come this color, so I did not like dye it or anything like that. And like I said, this is the 99J. Yeah, so I really do love this hair. I would definitely give it like a 10 out of 10. This is by far my favorite red curly hair that I've worn. I think I like 99J, this burgundy color. I think I like it more curly hair better than straight hair, but yeah, this hair is really bomb, like super bomb, super good quality, and I love it. So this unit is 24 inches, and I'm gonna show you guys where that falls on me. So yeah, so it basically falls like right under my boob. From the back, it's like right above my butt, and in the front, it's like literally right under my boobs. So yeah, you guys, for this unit, 24 inches with a 13x4 lace with 180% density is $347.75. But this hair is going to be on sale, and I'll also have a code for you guys to use down in the description box below. Definitely love this unit. Give this hair company a 10 out of 10. Like, it's, I also almost forgot to mention that I did bleach the knots of this hair, and I did pluck the lace. When I bleached the knots, they honestly bleached perfectly. I only left it on for like 30 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I did go to the gym in this hair today, so it's not like 100% crisp install right now. I still think like it looks good for, you know, having it in for like 2 days going to the gym, yesterday and the day before. The lace is definitely like transparent. Bleached the knots for too long, and I also did install this hair with like a side part and a middle part, and I think I like the middle part better. But yeah, I did the baby hair, and like I said, my hair is really not that crisp, so I'm not gonna lie. I think I've said it too many times at this point. But yeah, so shout out to West Kiss Hair. Definitely recommend this unit. Really one of my favorites, and I think it's like perfect for the summer. Even though summer is like slowly coming to an end, I think it's like the perfect summertime / fall hair. I think 99J is cute any day, any time of the year. So shout out to them. That was it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a big giant thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below if you've tried West Kiss Hair, if you've gotten this unit, if you're gonna get this unit, or if you guys just really love this look and you can't wait to try it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.